So, can you think of any characteristics or traits you may have that will be affected by the environment? Like your hair color. So, hair color can be affected if you're in an area that has a lot of sun, that can cause your hair to be lighter than if you're an area where it's always dark or there's darker areas. Your skin can be affected by the sun. So, this lady has put a coat on, a jacket that has netting in certain areas and stayed out in the sun, and that has colored her skin. Poinsettia color can be affected by the amount of light, and also certain flowers can be affected by the amount of acid or base that is in the soil. The pH can affect the color. The seedlings can be affected by light and by pH. Human height. This is an example of human height, how it would number of individuals would be the height in inches. Can be affected by certain areas and genetics. Your lung function, especially those with a lung cancer or smoker's lung, can be affected. Your liver, if you have problems with your liver, you drink a lot, you're an alcoholic, you can have problems with your liver. There's other ways of having problems, but it would totally cause the function to be different. So multifactorial inheritance. This is the phenotype as a result of interaction between your genotype and the environment. So the expression of most genes is influenced by environmental conditions. So things that can be affected are your diabetes, your height, your heart disease. These can inherit a predisposition to all of the diseases or characteristics, and their development or phenotype is influenced by those environmental factors such as proper nutrition, exercise, quality medical care, and etc. So if you do things, you have an environment that is unhealthy or unsafe for you, it can affect the way that you develop as you're going through your from childhood to adulthood. And so that can cause certain problems. If you're malnutritioned, you may not have certain traits that you would have if you had a healthy eating habit. And that's about environmental factors.